It's Coming Back to Me by Kapitol Kalture. Whenever I try to close my eyes, I see it happening. Whenever I try to meditate, I feel it happening. Even if I don't want it to happen, I find myself crying. Even if I want to gain weight, I find myself losing weight. Every day, I see it coming back to me. It has been years, day and night shedding tears, living with this fear, no help and no lawyer. Even leaders don't care what I'm passing through, I swear. But I see it coming back to me in jail. My uncle forced it, sleeping with me in the night. I tried to stop it. I couldn't stop it. He finally did it. Not once, but almost every night. Leaving me with pain, no smiling again. Nightmares not fine. HIV in me. Physically broken, psychologically down. The pain is coming back to me. I have tried to live low, but I can't live anymore. You can do something, I know, to make this pain go. I am tired of seeing it coming back to me, oh God.